Hey there, Kenny here on Pop-Up 2.0. So, as you already know, we're about 2 months into the new year, and I'm sure that many of us have already abandoned our New Year's resolutions. But there are 3 simple things that you can do daily to make sure that you are happier in 2015. Number 1, track the positives in your life. Do you have an old jar lying around somewhere? Decorate it up with some art supplies, and write yourself a little note every day about something good that happened. Reflecting on the positives of your life will make sure that you're happier and more productive. Number 2, have you ever heard of random acts of kindness? Random acts of kindness is just when you do something nice for somebody else. This can include helping people out, this can include bringing people cookies or other gifts. Spreading positivity will make everyone happier. And number 3, we all need breaks in life, right? When you feel your energy levels running low, take a break. Put on your favorite playlist and just dance it out. Studies show that having more refreshers throughout the day will actually increase productivity and raise happiness. Well, there you have it. 3 life hacks to making sure that you're happier in 2015. Well, that's it for today. I'm out.